Hello, I'm David Miller. Our previous 3 sessions have shown the importance of customer relationship management. Now comes the tricky part, how to make it work. To find out, let's go back to GMC Analytics, whose CEO, Peter Mueller, was our guest in an earlier program. Now, Peter touched on how the company creates structured conversations designed to reveal customer preferences and outline soft profiles. Catherine, hi.
Hi, David.
How do you get people to open up and give you an accurate picture of what you need to know?
The essential thing is to build an ongoing dialogue with the customer. This cycle shows what I mean. It illustrates a process that takes time. After all, we are building a relationship. But once we've established trust, customers have no problem telling us what they want.
Okay, I think this graphic needs a little explanation. Can you be a little more specific?
Absolutely. We start the cycle by inviting the customer to visit a personalized web page. This is done by sending them an attractive promotional letter, a periodical statement, or by issuing an invitation via email or mobile device. Then, to really understand what motivates people to buy, we ask questions. These are part of a 5-minute survey based on very psychological market research methods. This is a sample of the kind of questions we ask. They are based on psychographs, which are key drivers for buying preferences. By the way, the survey can also be conducted over smartphones.
Fine, but the basic thought in every customer's mind must be, what is in this for me?
We use all the instruments of infotainment and personal incentives to ensure a high hit rate. And we can tailor the offer to the individual so much so that the customer finds it irresistible.
So how's this information processed?
Well, as soon as the customer starts to fill in the survey, marketing executives use this cockpit to see what their preferences are. Then the survey data is combined with demographical and transactional information to produce a unique information tool. This allows you to launch very effective laser-targeted marketing campaigns with an extremely high success rate.
So what you're doing is combining sophisticated survey techniques with software engineering.
That's right. Let me close the cycle quickly. Now, when you know all that, you select the respective attributes to launch the campaign. Let's make an example with only 4 potential buyers to keep it simple. Let's say you would like to boost the revenue of Frudeco's Asian fine food products. First, we select the demographics, and second, we have a look at the transactions. Then, the filter is set for customers who are attracted to high-priced quality food. That eliminates 2 customers, leaving just Lucy and John. More questions show that only John likes Asian food, so Lucy is excluded too, and John is the campaign target. In short, it's knowing individual preferences that makes this approach work so well.
And next comes the selection of a communications channel, be it print, web, smartphone, what have you.
Yes, but the process doesn't stop there. We keep the dialogue stimulated by inviting the customer back to the personalized web page. There is a new survey with more questions aimed at understanding the customer even better. You see, it's a layered approach. At each level, we draw out more precise information from the customer.
Okay, so the customer wants to implement the system. What does he get? What's the deal?
The customer gets the software suite. It includes the survey engine, the visualisation cockpit, and a campaign management tool. And GMC Analytics professionals are called in to facilitate installation. After that, the GMC Analytics Marketing Expert Service helps to tailor the survey to match your specific needs. These experts are also available for the survey feedback and the individual marketing campaigns.
Catherine Jones there, with GMC Analytics' way of making sure that customers get exactly what they need and want. Thank you, Catherine.
Thank you, David.
Now, in the next session, we'll learn how individualized customer communication is a competitive advantage in marketing. Professor Pimpin, a highly qualified expert in the field, will show that it's not enough to simply acquire the information, it's how you use it that counts. My name's David Miller, and I look forward to seeing you then.